हेलो फ्रेंड्स, वेलकम बैक टू आवर चैनल AMIS स्टडी सर्कल एंड होपफुली आप लोगों की पढ़ाई अच्छी चल रही होगी। अब इसी महीने उत्तराखंड PCS प्री का एग्जाम है। ओके, सो टुडे वी आर गोइंग टू डिस्कस अबाउट द ग्लेशियर्स इन उत्तराखंड। ग्लेशियर्स आर वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट एजेंट्स ऑन द surface of the earth and they lies at a certain altitude. Before moving to the glaciers of Uttarakhand itself, let us know what are glaciers. So glaciers are the massive, slow-moving rivers of ice and snow formed over thousands of years through the accumulation and compaction of snow. They are found in the polar regions and the mountain ranges around the world, right? So we have two places, North Pole and South Pole. Those are called polar region, and there is a huge deposits of glaciers. No doubt that these glaciers are melting due to the global warming. Along with the polar region, we have mountainous region also around the world. At a certain height, we have a number of glaciers, and they are the source of important rivers as well. Glaciers form when snow accumulates and compresses into ice over time. And Uttarakhand is a home to a diverse range of glaciers, primarily classified into two categories based on their location. So we have two administrative divisions in Uttarakhand, that is Garhwal and Kumaon. So on the basis of location, we can classify glaciers into two parts. So let us deal first of all the glaciers of the Kumaon region. There are some important glaciers. Let us start with the Milam Glacier. It is one of the largest glacier in Uttarakhand and stretching up to its area is quite big, that is about 37 square kilometer and feeding the Gauri Ganga. और इसकी जो लंबाई है वो है कितनी 16 kilometers. And this glacier lies at an elevation of 5,500 meters in Munsiari Tehsil in Pithoragarh district. So make sure you must know the name of the particular place also. So Milam Glacier lies in Pithoragarh district in Munsiari Tehsil. Elevation is about 5,500 meters, right? Second, we have Namik Glacier, a fascinating glacier with saline water spring. Please note down. And offering stunning views and trekking opportunities as well. Namik Glacier also located in Kumaon region. Try to find out in which district the Namik Glacier is located. It is for you. Now we have Kafni Glacier, known for mesmerizing landscape and moderate trekking trails. It is the source of what? Source of Kafni River, and Kafni Glacier lies in Bageshwar district. Ralam Glacier, you must have been heard about that. A lesser explored glacier in Pithoragarh district. We have Sundar Dungarh Glacier, a captivating glacier feeding the Pindar River, renowned for its scenic beauty and majestic peaks also. Pindari Glacier, very popular for the trekkers, a popular trekking destination and source of Pindar River. Write down, from Pindari Glacier, Pindar River rises, offering breathtaking views of Nanda Devi and Nanda Kot peaks. This glacier is about 30 kilometers long and 400 meters wide. It means this glacier is also very big. The glaciers are very important agents on the surface of the earth. Now, moving down to the Garhwal region glaciers. Gangotri Glacier, largest glacier of Uttarakhand, a 30-kilometer long glacier and primarily the source of Ganges River, that is Ganga River, considered sacred and a major pilgrimage site as well. Right, Gangotri Glacier rises from the place called Gaumukh. It appears like the shape of a mouth of a cow. Gangotri Glacier is the largest glacier of Uttarakhand, you must be knowing. And these glaciers also having various tributary glaciers. Gangotri Glacier. If we have a belief that river is joined by various tributaries, like Ganga having various tributaries like Alaknanda and various other rivers, Yamuna and all, glaciers are also attached by considerable smaller glaciers, and these glaciers are called tributary glaciers. And these are feeding to the parent glacier. So in this case, we have Gangotri Glacier attached by various glaciers. एक बड़े ग्लेशियर में कई छोटे छोटे ग्लेशियर्स अटैच होते हैं and makes a different kind of landforms also. So Gangotri Glacier is attached by other glaciers also. और एग्जाम में यहाँ से भी क्वेश्चन आया है कि what are the names of the tributary glaciers of Gangotri? We have Raktavan, Chaturangi Glacier, Kalindi Bamak. Bamak is a local name of glacier in Uttarakhand. Kirti. Raktavan consists of 7 other tributary glaciers as well. Some of them are Thelu, Svetvarn, Nilambar, Pilapani, etc. These now. This is the satellite image of Gangotri Glacier. और इसमें दिखाया गया है कि इन द प्रिसीडिंग डिकेड्स एंड सेंचुरी किस तरीके से गंगोत्री ग्लेशियर अपने स्थान से खिसक गया है, इसको कहते हैं रीट्रीटिंग ऑफ द ग्लेशियर. एंड एट द सेम टाइम द साइज ऑफ द ग्लेशियर ऑल्सो रिड्यूस्ड. दिस इज द पोजीशन ऑफ द गंगोत्री ग्लेशियर इन 2001, 1971, 1964, 1956 and as early as 1780. So this is called what the retreating of the glacier. Why it is retreating? All because of the global warming, which is a very important concern all around the world. Now we have Khatling Glacier, a colossal glacier feeding the Bilangana River, known for challenging treks and stunning landscape. यहाँ से तो कई बार क्वेश्चन रिपीट हुआ है कि खतलिंग ग्लेशियर किस डिस्ट्रिक्ट में है. प्लीज फाइंड आउट. सतोपन ग्लेशियर, a 13 किलोमीटर लॉन्ग ग्लेशियर फीडिंग द अलकनंदा रिवर. प्लीज नोट डाउन, यहां से भी क्वेश्चन कई बार आए हैं. Lies in the Chamoli district of Uttarakhand and situated near Badrinath and surrounded by Chaukhamba and Neelkant Peak. Very important facts. कई बार रिपीट हुआ है क्वेश्चन यहां से कि सतोपन ग्लेशियर निम्नलिखित में से किन चोटियों के द्वारा घिरा हुआ है. So we have Chaukhamba and Neelkant Peak. Other we have Dokriani Glacier, known for stunning ice formation and picturesque valleys. It is the source of Assi Ganga River. Dokriani Glacier lies in Garhwal part of the Uttarakhand. Dunagiri Glacier, part of the Dhauli Ganga system and offering scenic trekking routes as well. Chaurawadi Glacier, also called as what? Gandhi Sarovar के आसपास, situated near Kedarnath. It is the source of Mandakini River, very important, and holds significant religious importance as well. Chaurawadi Glacier. खतलिंग ग्लेशियर के बारे में थोड़ा सा और देख लेते हैं. खतलिंग ग्लेशियर इज अ सोर्स ऑफ रिवर भिलंगना and it lies at an elevation of about 3,700 meters. So this is the trekking route of Khatling Glacier. This place we have Khatling Glacier at the height of about 3,717 meters. We have Sahasratal nearby, Mahasartal, Vasuki Tal. We have Kedarnath also. Alaknanda River is also mentioned here. Bhagirathi River is there. ठीक है, and these are some important places you need to discuss.